So welcome students to today's video. So today is a short video which will tell you about one national workshop on the recently launched scheme for food processing, PMFPE, Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises. So this is a short notice because on 9th the program has been scheduled. So this is free of cost, you can attend. So I will be discussing some of the points. Okay, so you can log into the IIFPT, Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology website, and you can find this registration link. Okay, because I am now seeing that link and showing to you. So Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, which is situated in Tanjavur. Okay, so this is an institute of national importance for food processing in India, and they are conducting one national online workshop. You don't need to go in person. It is an online workshop and free workshop, no need of any fees etc, for payment of the fees etc. So national online workshop on PM formalization of micro food processing enterprises scheme. Okay, this is a recently launched scheme by Prime Minister Modi ji for the as a relief package for COVID for food processing sector. So the date is 9th September 2020, 10 a.m. onwards. So who can participate? So for every program you should first see this one. Who can participate? State nodal department officials, micro food processing entrepreneurs, self-help groups, farmer producer organizations, cooperatives. See, students also can participate. If you open the registration link, you can see an option others. Okay, so click others option and write student. Okay, students also can participate in this event. You don't confuse, a student is not given in the list. Okay, students of the food processing can also participate in this and can gain the experience in this, what is the scheme about, etc. The topics to be covered, what they will cover. So due to COVID, the entire food industry, not only food industry, every industry has been affected. Okay, so this scheme, what it states. So in that national online workshop, they will cover PM FME scheme guidelines and features. Okay, what is Prime Minister's formalization of micro food enterprises, and what are the guidelines and features of this particular scheme, and opportunities and technologies for micro food processing enterprises. So micro means small food processing units. What are the opportunities? Suppose if you want to start a business, how this scheme will be helpful to you to get the loan process or to include the infrastructure facilities in already existing plants, etc. Then third one, DPR preparation. DPR stands for detailed project report. If you are going to start an industry, you have to approach the bank. The bank will ask, give me the DPR. So that is the detailed project report, what you are going to do, what is the outlay, what is the financial requirement. So that is DPR preparation. So they will tell you how to, they will give some idea how to prepare the DPR preparation. This is very much important. Then FSSAI certificate for micro food processing unit and licensing. So how to get certificate of registration and certificate of licensing for your micro small food processing units, and how to get license also, and how to get registration also. Registration is different, licensing is different, that they will be teaching in that. Then packaging, labeling, branding and marketing, financial linkages, what are the institutions you can approach for the loan process. Then instructions for registration. Participants are requested to submit the application form through the registration link provided in our website. So you can see here the registration link is one which is scrolling here, and I am clicking that one. So I have already registered. So you will get a Google form. Okay, so you type your name here and gender, male or female, date of birth. See designation, see so many designations are given. See others, one option is there. You click on others. That's it. Okay, and your address and city and pin code, basic information only. And after that you click the submit button, right? Then what are the other information? So online workshop will be conducted through the mode Cisco WebEx. Okay, it is not Google Meet or Zoom. They are having some professional network like Zoom called Cisco WebEx. You will get the registration link through your mail. Okay, if you are eligible. Then main thing is no registration fee, right? So that's all. Last date of registration. So this is very less amount of time is there, because 8th September at 3 p.m. So who are seeing this video, you have the period of only one day. So register before 3 p.m. 8th September. Okay. So more details you can visit on iafpt.edu.in. Okay. So you register through the Google form and you will be getting the link by your email. So this is all about your PM FME scheme, right? So I hope this video will help, shows you some idea of the workshop. So thank you, and stay tuned to our website, YouTube channel for the more updates. Thank you.